Are you looking to add some extra bass to your car audio system without sacrificing space? Look no further. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 underseat powered subwoofers available on the market. These compact subwoofers are designed to fit seamlessly under your car seat, delivering powerful and punchy bass that will enhance your overall listening experience. We'll be diving into the features, performance, and installation process of each subwoofer, ensuring that you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Plus, don't forget to check the links in the description box below for more detailed reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. ROCKVILLE SS8P Underseat Subwoofer. The ROCKVILLE SS8P Underseat Subwoofer is the perfect solution for adding powerful bass to your vehicle without sacrificing space. With its ultra-slim design, measuring only 2.8 inches thick, this sub-enclosure can easily fit under your seat, ensuring a clean and seamless installation. What sets this subwoofer apart is that it comes with a built-in amplifier, eliminating the need for additional wiring and components. The SS8P subwoofer offers easy installation with high-level inputs that support both aftermarket and factory audio systems. Its smart turn-on circuit automatically detects the audio signal and powers on the amplifier. The streamlined design of having all inputs and outputs located on one side simplifies the wiring process, making it more convenient and efficient. The ROCKVILLE SS8P subwoofer delivers powerful performance with 400 watts peak power and 100 watts RMS. It offers adjustable controls for volume, subsonic filter, low-pass crossover filter, phase control, input sensitivity, and bass boost. The subwoofer includes a remote bass knob and mounting hardware. Its cast aluminum enclosure ensures efficient heat dissipation and protection against thermal overload and short circuits. KENWOOD KSC PSW8 Underseat Subwoofer. The KENWOOD KSC PSW8 Underseat Subwoofer is designed to deliver impressive bass performance in a compact form factor. This powered subwoofer is specifically engineered to fit under the seat of most vehicles, providing deep and powerful bass without sacrificing valuable space in your car. Despite its small size, it produces bass response that rivals that of larger subwoofers typically found in the trunk. With an 8-inch woofer and a durable built-in amplifier, this KENWOOD subwoofer delivers 150 watts of RMS power, ensuring rich and impactful bass reproduction. The rigid enclosure construction eliminates rattles, providing a clean and distortion-free listening experience. The included wired remote allows for convenient control of the bass level from the driver's seat. The KENWOOD subwoofer simplifies installation with its provided wiring harness and mounting brackets. The harness includes power, ground, and turn-on connections, as well as RCA inputs for aftermarket stereos. It also comes with a speaker input harness for vehicles with factory radios or no RCA outputs. The subwoofer features a Class D amplifier and a frequency response range of 35 to 150 Hz, allowing for versatile bass tuning. JBL K951094 Underseat Subwoofer. The JBL K951094 Underseat Subwoofer is a compact and powerful solution for enhancing the bass in your vehicle's audio system. Designed to fit under the seat, this 8-inch powered subwoofer enclosure delivers impressive low-frequency performance without sacrificing space in your car. With a peak power output of 250 watts and RMS power of 125 watts, this subwoofer provides deep and impactful bass that adds depth and richness to your music. The efficient Class D amplifier ensures clean and powerful amplification, maximizing the overall sound quality. This subwoofer features soft start turn-on, which eliminates any potential thumps or pops during startup. It also offers speaker-level, high-level inputs with Audio Sense Auto-On, allowing for easy integration with both aftermarket and factory audio systems. For added convenience, this subwoofer is compatible with an optional wired bass remote controller. This remote allows you to easily adjust the bass level from the driver's seat, giving you full control over your audio experience. Gravity GRWF10 Underseat Subwoofer. The Gravity GRWF10 Underseat Subwoofer is a powerful and compact solution for enhancing the bass in your car's audio system. Constructed with high density and premium materials, this subwoofer offers exceptional performance and long-lasting durability. It features a single 10-inch high-quality subwoofer that provides deep bass and acoustic power, immersing you in rich and dynamic sound. The subwoofer is equipped with a phase shift function, which compensates for time alignment issues in your system, ensuring precise and accurate sound reproduction. The auto power on/off feature allows for seamless integration with high-level connections, automatically turning on when a signal is detected. The low-pass filter controls the frequency range, allowing you to customize the bass response according to your preferences. Additionally, the bass boost function increases the sound level, adding extra punch and impact to your music. The power status LED provides visual feedback on the subwoofer's power status, making it easy to monitor. With a power output of 550 watts and a frequency response ranging from 20 Hz to 150 K's, the Gravity GR-ROCKVILLE F10 delivers powerful and immersive bass performance. PATIOER Underseat Powered Subwoofer. The PATIOER Underseat Powered Subwoofer is a compact and powerful audio solution designed to enhance your music experience. Equipped with 8-inch woofers, this subwoofer delivers pure and impactful music output, allowing you to enjoy deep and immersive bass. Its high-power design ensures a stronger and more robust sound performance, bringing your favorite tracks to life with clarity and depth. Designed with a stainless steel body, this subwoofer is engineered to endure daily usage and provides exceptional durability for long-term performance. The high-strength protection alloy mesh provides an extra layer of safeguarding for the tweeters, ensuring their safety and preserving the overall sound quality. To prevent overheating and potential damage, the PATIOER Underseat Powered Subwoofer features multiple cooling holes on both sides. This design allows for efficient heat dissipation, keeping the speakers cool even during extended listening sessions. Thank you for watching our video on the best underseat powered subwoofers. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the perfect subwoofer for your car. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below.